Ka Executive Director jang ka State Disaster Management Authority SDMA ka kong Matsudor wa nongbri ha ka khandro tari ujliu kalaong ba ka SDMA kadang abi ki jingte ba khabnya Halor ki Jingjulor na ki bor penya district jang ki district basakta ha ka jing penjat ka Mariang ka balaja ha ka tayo bal adap ha ka lengga jela ha ba kerenji kila pathai ku bor kalaong.
We have not heard anything about crop damage so far, but so there's house damage, there's human life loss, there's animal deaths and so on and so forth, infrastructure damage. So that's how they are affected. But once we get the detailed information from the DCs, then we know exactly how this entire population has been affected. So as I said, in terms of crop damage, we have not received any information as yet. These do take a little bit of time because the ground functionaries have to go to the ground and then assess the situation. Then only they give a report to the deputy commissioners.
Kakong Matsudor kalaong ru baki bor bade pet kidang khmibnia ek jinglong jingman par kanshim por banyo ya ka Kaiphod ka bakhado hakawi pat kalyang kakong Matsudor kalaya thu bagatanat kalapinlong ka jingalang baka Geological Survey of India GSI bar baka SDMA kadang penlong ka jing itu ikijaka ki bajuja ki jing tuwa khandau kalaya thu ru balarai ka jingalang bandan ka jimaham ka bahashwa lani early warning system penpentep ki jing tuwa khandau.